5 types of Nigeria UK migrant. Relocation to another country, which is fondly called JAPA syndrome, came as a wave that hit Nigerian ecosystems so hard. United Kingdom opens its gate as it frantically fixes its labor deficit, which was caused by Brexit and COVID-19 pandemic. Nigerians have moved in droves into UK in search of greener pasture. The very best in the medicals, ICT and creatives have abandoned their jobs for highly treasured pounds. It might not be all that rosy in Europe, but any duly earned pound means a lot when converted to the weak naira.
If you hear people, they shout "Japa, go Japa, go Japa." You go to say na easy thing. You go to say that something where you go just carry your bag and tap plane Japa. The process alone be like say you still in Nigeria.
There are lots of characters this process has produced, but we will review 5 of them in this Part 1 series. 1. Advisors or unappointed consulate officers. These set of migrants are always on social media, dishing out advice on their current realities, alerting prospective migrants on how to better prepare themselves.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? So if this is the first time of you being on my channel, welcome back to my channel. I'm Synth Nani and I bring to you more of destination stuff.
If you're planning to JAPA, this message is for you. A very close friend got the opportunity to JAPA a few years ago, and this was a life-changing moment for him.
JAPA planners, this video is for you. In less than 12 to 18 months, I'll be in the UK for my MBA graduation ceremony.
Although they often receive some verbal bashing and on the comment section asking them to return if the move didn't favor them, I believe the information these people provide have helped many make informed decisions. This video is sponsored by Media Style Concept, a sure plug for your seamless hybrid meeting and event streaming services. They offer an extensive portfolio of services including video production, photography, design, and print media. Here are links to their handles. A representative is waiting to speak with you. 2. One with the good jobs. These set of JAPaists are the very lucky ones who migrated to the UK through sustainable jobs. They earn much more higher than their Nigerian counterpart doing almost the same job, but in a saner climb. Majority of professionals in this category are qualified medical practitioners, tech professionals, financial experts, and so on, with years of experience. They were harvested from the real sectors across the states. The continuous influx of this professional into UK and other part of the world, though benefit them personally and their new country of residence, is taking a huge toll on the Nigerian economy. 3. Divorce. Not a lot of men can deal with the reality of divorce in UK, which usually result in being thrown out in the cold. There are a couple of trended videos of wives sending their husbands packing. The voiceover while the man makes the video is usually, "I brought you to Europe, paid your school fees, now you have become a nurse. This is how you will pay me back, by sending me packing." Or, "You are sending me out of my own house. This is my sweat. We built this house together."
Leave my things now. Let me settle myself first now.
If you video me, if you record me,
no, I'll video you so you will not tell the police that I taught you. This is what you always do.
I will call the police.
It's very wrong of you.
Yes, I'm letting you.
Guys, be careful the kind of woman you marry and bring abroad.
Yes, also
guys, be careful.
You marry to abroad.
No, you talk to me like this today. I trained you. I trained you to become a nurse.
I don't know what you're talking about. You're
okay, give me time. Give me time. Let me.
No, we don't have time.
Guys, I pay my rent in this house. I pay the rent in this house, guys.
Unfortunately, some of these cases end in fatality or eternal hurt. 4. Back to school. Greater percentage of Nigerians who have moved to the UK in the recent past years of JAPA syndrome did so through earning admission in UK universities, which enables the scholars to bring along their dependent relatives like husband and kids. This seems like the easiest route to the UK, as it evident that the UK school are happy to have your huge tuition. This route is not for everyone. Your account has to be breathing well to afford it.
Now just embassy I pass. In front of embassy now I pass. I don't tire already. The crowd where they be like say Rehan Bonki won't do crusade for healing and financial purposes.
Apart from UK schools being quite expensive, there are other huge financial requirements to successfully migrate through this route. 5. full of regrets. A lady was seen crying on a social media post, regretting why she sold up everything she had in Nigeria to come take care of sick and aged people in UK, as that was the available job at the time. The caption of the post, from CEO in Nigeria to UK, wiping other people's ass, packing poo, captured the reality of some Nigerian migrant who may not have the right skills to earn them desired jobs. For most of them, I guess what they earn in the end justifies the hard work. If you have made up your mind to relocate to the UK because Nigeria isn't working for you, make sure you equip yourself with the right information before you take off. Adios.
I've been the follow the shout say I go JAPA for this country. Use and the threaten federal government. Like say if they do anyhow, I go just JAPA. As if I carry 1 week, I go take this up here.
Is it true that most of the relocation moves are mostly initiated and championed by the wife? Let's have your thoughts on the comment section. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notifications when we drop more educative and fun videos.